Hi, I'm Gauri Bhake. I'm a soft skill trainer. I chose to do Access Energetic Facelift program with Aarshiya today. And I feel everybody should experience this workshop because in our society, there are a lot of concepts related to aging. Like after some age, everybody looks old. There has to be wrinkles and you should age smartly. Everybody talks about aging. Nobody talks about staying energetic, youthful, having better immunity at any age for that matter. So in this workshop, personally, I felt that there were a lot of concept breaking regarding aging, regarding your own body structure, body type, how you can embrace who you are and create a better reality for yourself. It was beautiful, and I feel everyone should experience this new reality, this new energy, and create a better self.